So today we have yesterday we had our first field trip, and so that is to the company Microsoft Bing Maps, and so this company is the most I think the most efficient data center in the world. So um, and so this is my first time to visit data center, and so I looked at searched some information about what a data center is. So a data center is a facility that uses the computer systems and and to process the data, and generally a data center and has a component of and telecommunications and also a storage system, and it should also have some backup power supplies and also the environmental controls. So as we see, the so for the data processing, data for the data process for the data center we visited yesterday, we could see and they have the air conditioning system and also the fire suppression system, and so typical. Actually, some large data centers will has industry scale, and they may use um, um, a great a great amount of electricity, and but interesting. It's very interesting that the data center we visited before at the non we visited yesterday at the moment actually owning and use a very small amount of the electricity, and so that's surprising for me. And also uh, and so I found this interesting video on the YouTube, and that actually shows construction of this beam of this company, the data center in the Namant, and it's very interesting to see. And they choose this area because the electricity fee uh, is very cheap, and and they use a dial data center. They use a dial technology to build this center, and we can see that they are very kind of efficient in it. Maybe only take several months to build the center, and it's very interesting to me.